Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to create QR code to location to the invitation card. So guys, what you have to do, open your invitation card as you can see here on the screen, and from here click this option QR code, and this you can install from apps. Go to apps and search for QR code and search for here QR code and add this option. And after that, guys, enter URL of location here. After that, for example, this is my location URL, and copy this URL and click generate code. As you can see here, guys, this is the code was generated successfully without any problems. Just click here, drag here, and you can decrease this size of the QR code. You can add here, as you can see here. This is easy method, as you can see here, guys, without any problems or me troubles. So guys, I hope this quick video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.